Hi, ma'am. We are from Medgate today, and we have a few questions for you. Ma'am, what sets Snipe Diagnostics apart from its competitors in the diagnostic industry?
I think the thing which set us apart is like we are in this industry since more than 30 years, as in manufacturing of clear analyzers, and definitely we have not just one machine for the clear. For we cover the set of other customers also, not just A class, the B class customers, where if they have a small workload to a bigger throughput, like from 180 to we have 600 throughput analyzer machine. So we are catering not just the small labs, we are also looking for bigger this thing. And from there's one more thing which I like to add is like our parameter range, like that is also sets us apart from that. We have 236 parameters right now. So yeah, altogether, and also we are increasing our team and everything in terms of services, applications, and also in sales. So definitely we are moving towards growing more.
Ma'am, how does Snipe ensures the accuracy and reliability of its diagnostic solutions?
Definitely. See, all our products, we have our R&D team with us, our production team and everything. Before any product get passed out, we have a QA analysis and everything going on. Also, we have our triple H, that is the HIV, HBCG, and HCV. Those infectious markers, they are being, when they come to the market, before that, they are being approved by the NIB. So that's how we've been taking care of it. And also, any product which comes into the market, before that, we do validations and everything in a bigger lab. Comparison is done with this gold standard method. And that's how, all the things comes into the market before giving it to the customer. So everything is being taken care of.
And ma'am, what marketing strategies have been the most effective for Snipe in global diagnostic market?
There are a lot of strategies which I cannot describe so much, but yeah, because our strategy has been, as I said, catering of small customers, and we have seen that these small customers right now they have become big. So our strategy is to retain our customers, give them the best solutions, and see them growing together with us. And also we have channel partners which are also helpful.
Coming to that, what role does digital marketing plays in promoting the diagnostic products and how has it evolved?
Digital marketing, definitely it's broad spectrum if I see right now, because the customer get to know about your product, because earlier it was just like a salesperson would just go to the lab and that's how they would get to know. But you cannot, as in India, if you see, there are thousands of lakhs of labs, not thousand, let's say lakhs of labs are there. So how do you cater that? So digital marketing is the source wherein they get to know about the product, what is there and what's coming in future for them, because even they want to grow, as I said, as in company, even lab want to grow.
And ma'am, how is AI and automation influencing the diagnostic market from a marketing perspective?
AI for a lab, I would say right now it's a new concept. Definitely, it's going to take over all over the world, not just India. So it's definitely going to bring up a lot of development. I would say it's going to minimize, a lot of errors which happens in the lab, which I think every pathologist would agree, because there are a lot of sessions nowadays that we do in terms of artificial intelligence. So it would be a good boom, I would say, in next sectors, in also in total automations and labs.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for the insight.